Hello everyone, this is Shonku and you are watching Rooftop Gardening. Okay, so this is my second tomato plant. As you can see, the tomatoes are a little bit larger than previous. This is 65th day update. So I will show you the results. This is the spinach plant. This is the second tomato plant. As you can see, the growth is very good and these are the tomatoes. Okay, I don't know why this is the spot, but this is actually okay. And these are the tomato. I think I'll be harvesting a little bit of tomatoes because I'm going to make a soup today. This one is actually one in the branch, so that's why I'm not going to harvest that one. This is 3, so this is okay to harvest. This is pretty good. It's pretty deep, you can see. So I'm going to harvest this one or this one, and this one actually don't have the flower, so I'm going to harvest this one. And this one have the flower, so it is going to get bigger, and this is not okay to harvest. So this doesn't have that flower in the bottom, so it is ready to harvest. So this is the harvest today from the second plant, and I am going to make a soup today from the spinach plant, red spinach and tomato from this plant, and I think it will be very good. Okay, so this is the harvest from the second tomato plant, and I'll keep you updated for the future videos. Thank you for watching. Give it a like and subscribe if you want to show more videos, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you. The subscribe will be helping because it's a new channel. Okay.